Do you want to do it again, or do you want to clean them up? Okay.
It's gonna be a lot of work.
It's a lot of work. So wait, let me. Can I show you how to clean them up? We want to make sure we put all the blue ones here and all the red ones there.
Oh,
So,
red.
so let's make a
So you can know which one is which.
Yeah.
We're aware of what she's doing, yeah, very much so.
Hayden wants to help. Hey you. Hey you.
Shut that down very quick.
Blue. Remember how we thought they were all blue?
I do remember that.
And they were actually not.
No. It's about even, right? Half of them are red and half of them are blue.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then they're like half.
Yeah. Totally even.
And then it's like red, blue, red, blue, red, blue. And then like half. And then like red, blue, and then like half.
Mhm.
That's what that was, right?
Yeah.
That was how it was.
That's
Like,
how it
we
was.
couldn't figure it out.
No. It didn't seem to have a pattern, did it?
Nope.
No. It was random. When there's no pattern, it means it's random.
Yeah. They sort of just stuck them together, so we didn't have to do them and just set them down.
Mhm.
They sort of just done that.
Go.
Oh, red. I should have checked it before I put it in. I'm just doing different.
Yeah. The red and the blue.
Like, you want to do, like, different than you want to do not the same color, so you could just put blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red, blue, red. This goes round and around and around and around and around. Oh, backwards.
Ah.
Sean, I only see these three. I don't see the two dancing ones. Oh, you gotta do that. Oh, sure. Oh, I see.
Ah, I wasn't right. Went up here.
Oh.
This has to be it. Yes. I should just set it right in here.
Okay.
Oh, backwards. I knew it was blue.
You did.
Red. Blue. I said blue and it was blue. I guess I have a good memory.
Yeah, you have a good memory.
Really good memory. Red.
How did you know?
Because it's usually like blue, red, blue, red.
There's a pattern.
Yeah. Red. It was blue.
It was blue.
And I was red.
And now
Red here. I should have just like red. Then it would be blue, red.
I think 4.
Mm-hmm.
You like change your pattern.
Uh-huh.
And it changed our pattern.
Use that little tape.
No, we just need the chairs. If we push this down,
This has to be blue. This has to be perfect.
We can let you here.
I'm right. I'm always right. I got two. Now, next, go right. Red, blue.
Have you done math?
yeah, go for it.
That's the 3 girls match.
This has to be red, and this has to be blue.
You did it.
Blue, red.
Yeah.
My pattern is right.
You got the right pattern.
It should have been red, blue. I should have been blue, red, blue, red.
Okay.
Because I should have been blue, red.
Okay.
always a be blue, red, right?
Yeah, and then I'll show you how you can fold this up.
You do this,
Yeah,
this.
yeah. Perfect.
You just do one and then it covers the other one.
Yeah, and then
And
it's ready for you next time.
What time's our flight tomorrow?